Today we'll have a first look at the Storm Audio ISP Core 16 Immersive Sound Processor. The Storm Audio ISP Core 16 is a high-end immersive sound preamp processor designed for premium home theater systems. Storm Audio was founded in 2011 as part of Immersive Audio Technologies in France. Initially, the brand collaborated with Auro Technologies to develop Auro 3D compatible audio processors, and later became independent in 2017. The brand has since grown into a global leader in high-end immersive audio processors and amplifiers, with a focus on premium home theater solutions. The Storm Audio ISP Core 16 is currently available at your local dealer for €14,199. We start off with the main unit, an IR remote control with two AAA batteries, a power cord, and the user manual for setup and operation. Side note, an optional calibration kit might be necessary to carry out room correction. The Storm Audio ISP Core 16 Mark III is a premium 18-channel immersive sound processor designed for high-end home theater systems, delivering exceptional audio performance in a sleek 3U chassis. Based on the award-winning ISP Elite platform, it supports advanced audio formats like Dolby Atmos, DTS-X Pro, Auro 3D and IMAX Enhanced, ensuring a cinematic experience with precise sound reproduction. Its robust DSP, featuring dual ADI Shark DSP-4 processors for post-processing and the Texas Instruments K2G for decoding, minimizes jitter and enhances clarity, achieving a dynamic range of 118 decibels with low residual noise. The processor uses the same DUC as the ISP Elite Mark II and incorporates Storm Audio's proprietary analog-digital hybrid volume control for detailed dynamic sound across all volume levels. The ISP Core 16 Mark III excels in room calibration with Dirac Live, including bass control and active room treatment modules, optimizing any speaker configuration for any room. It supports up to 20 parametric EQs per channel, 4-way active crossovers and unlimited subwoofer integration with advanced bass management. The intuitive web-based interface Storm Easy Wizard and mobile app simplifies setup and control, with compatibility for home audio systems like Control 4 and Crestron. A 5-inch color display provides real-time data such as VU meter and HDMI signal details. Connectivity includes 7 HDMI 2.1 inputs and 2 outputs with eARC, supporting up to 8K, HDR10, Dolby Vision and HLG. Room Ready certification and an RUE plugin enhance its versatility, making the ISP Core 16 Mark III a future-proof, high-performance solution for audiophiles and home cinema enthusiasts. The chassis of the ISP Core 16 stands on 4 sturdy feet. On the front panel from left to right, the Storm Audio logo. Up, home, down, display, volume knob, IR sensor and power button. Here's the back panel. Power socket input and switch, LAN, 2 USB, IR in and out, trigger section, Zone 2 optical digital output, analog RCA inputs, digital coaxial and optical inputs, XLR analog inputs, and HDMI inputs and outputs. This processor is designed for audiophiles, home theater enthusiasts and professional integrators seeking a high-end, immersive solution for premium home cinema setups. Its premium quality and intuitive sophistication immediately conveys its high-end design. We were struck by the Storm Easy Wizard interface and mobile app, which make navigation, its powerful features, remarkably user-friendly, delivering pristine, immersive audio that transforms any home theater. A full review will follow shortly, so stay tuned.